Hi, welcome back. We started seeing Ansible automation training series. Thanks for your support for this Cloud and Loud Cancer NGO initiative, which we are doing past 9 years. Those who are joining this channel as a newcomer, please go to channel homepage, click the join button. If you are going to be just learner, select the first membership. If you also want to participate Cancer and Children NGO program, please select other 3 membership as per your wish. Let's go inside today, one of the use case. Before going to today class 28 Ansible automation, please ensure you completed all 27 hands-on labs in Ansible with step-by-step and make sure you are confident. Then you proceed with the today class. As I stated a couple of times, our GitHub ID is Cloud and Loud. The repository is Ansible_automation. The class 28 use case BigFix agent. So if you are getting into some situation where you need to install BigFix or some other agent, but in your environment you have a 2 flavor of OS, right? In that case, how do you achieve this? So we have seen sometime back block rescue always, right? So the same concept, but with some different scenario. So some of the error it will happen, but I'm giving you an idea which this is the older version of agent. If you want, you can update with the latest version agent, or you can replace the same logic as per your similar agents, right? In your work portal, whatever the agent you are working on, the same will be achieved. So you need to have the same lab setup what we are discussing past 27 classes, right? So let's go to create the agent.yaml file. In that file, I'm going to say set paste and then insert mode and go and copy the entire playbook. So in this playbook, if you look at first thing, I'm going to put a important one because this is the block rescue always preferred. Before going all, right? First of all, I want to decide what kind of a servers I have. I have a CentOS and Ubuntu in my infrastructure. So CentOS, we have seen Ansible factors. So using that Ansible_distribution, go here and you can say Ansible space any one of the node space -m space setup. So you will get the syntax. So automatically take this syntax and put it in the first play. So if it is not CentOS, it will fail. If it is failed, then the switch will be transferred to rescue, which we seen in the past, right? The same, and we are checking the agent. In order to install the agent, we need the folder, we need some permission, right? And also we need to create the directory with specific permission. And once the directory is created, then also we need to create some file with the specific permission. And then we need to create the some template after the installation, and then it will install the package if it does not exist. So these are all you need to create as part of your agent and start the service, right? So the same we are going to achieve in this playbook as part of BigFix agent. So Ansible -playbook, right? Agent.yaml. There are a couple of errors, but depends on the OS. It's okay. So at the end of the day, if you get some different OS, the logic will be you have to adjust this logic. If you want, you can go and refer the Ansible register class. There is a 2 register class we have discussed earlier, class 14 and class 15. So if you know this class 14 and class 15, then today class is going to be really straightforward. All right. So if it is failed, once it's executed, then it will come out. Then always will be printed out. See here, always will be printed because Ubuntu automatically will be thrown error because our lab is set up on CentOS, right? So like this, you can apply heterogeneous environment or multiple OS environment using block rescue always. You have to think like this. You need to first ask yourself, my project having what are all OS flavors, right? And to do this OS, what are all you list down. And for both OS, what are all task is common. So put it in a block, put it in a rescue, put it in always. That's it. Stay tuned. We'll come up with more hands-on sessions. Thanks everyone.